later, a new report today shows that the $700 billion Congress approved to bail out banks is acting as insurance for many more risky assets in the nation's banking system. That means taxpayers are essentially unloading billions of
Verrazano Bridge.
In sports, on the ice, Alex Kotelik had a goal and 2 assists, and the Rangers put an end to a 4-game road losing streak as they defeated the Oilers 4-2. The Yankees and the Patriots today, the team's 27th championship title. Great 0.
Fantastic Mr. Fox, the new animated comedy from director Wes Anderson, featuring George Clooney and Meryl Streep, based on the classic novel by Roald Dahl.
Now this is my second part of my subway. Out in downtown Boise, Idaho, and I saw a duck, and I knew the duck was lost, because ducks ain't supposed to be downtown. There's nothing for them there.
Sing it, Mike. Beat it! Beat it!
To get a comfort level that this is the right thing to do. It is, as has been observed, a very complicated, complex issue. The healthcare delivery system in America is more complicated than it is in most countries.
Political talk, we're getting close to D.C.
It doesn't change that system. Those who say this is a socialized medicine are dead flat wrong.
Okay, 2 more questions. I want to be mindful of Mr. Hoyer's time, so let's just limit it to 2 more questions.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Mike Bergen with the Hill newspaper.
Bomber.
Mr. Leader, thanks. Hi, Mike.
And the president with a quick stride, heading back to the Oval Office without taking any questions. You're listening to C-SPAN Radio. That was a live event from the Rose Garden on a sunny and cool fall day.
Baltimore, man. Piles and piles of stuff.
This year was a fabulous week for us. They had
D.C.
Joe Roberts.
Are you a lobbyist? Let's go find some lobbyists.
Ray Leonard was there.
Affordable insurance, even if it's not covered by their employer, they can buy it on their own through the health exchange, and there won't be any discrimination based on your health condition or whether you're a man or a woman.
Our taxes are going from cigarettes to pay for children, and that charge could be going towards paying for smokers if they wanted to do additional charge.
Private industry. These people that are business people have put themselves on the line to provide a service.
Exchange to get insurance? Well, I think if an employer is providing insurance now, that is highly unlikely because they get such a big tax advantage, through the existing deduction, and they'll get an additional advantage, tax credit through the bill. Plus,
Hello. Are you a lobbyist?
No, I'm not.
Nah. You know any good lobbyists?
No.
Okay. How's it going, man?
Hey, how you doing?
This is Stu.
Hello, Stu.
Are you a lobbyist by any chance?
No, I'm not. Damn. You looking for one?
Yeah, I'm on K Street, man. I was hoping to find one.
Well, you gotta go down to real K Street.
Yeah.
Like 15th and K, 16th and K.
This feels real to me, though.
No, this is
where the big offices are.
Yeah, this is just kind of like K Street extended. The real K Street is over there where the big buildings are.
All right, follow the money. Yeah. Great.
Stu, how's your day going?
He's been driving, man. We just blew in from New York.
What part?
Brooklyn.
Oh, okay. I was just up there for the game.
Right on.
Yeah. Well, yeah, good luck with it, man.
Thanks, brother. Shred it. Of course, there's a Shred it mobile unit here. Thanks, man.
Okay.
You wouldn't happen to be a lobbyist, would you? That's high. You guys wouldn't happen to be lobbyists, would you? They were lobbyists. 999. Upside down. You guys wouldn't happen to be lobbyists, would you?
No, we're not.
Bummer. Hard to find. I was there, man. They're hiding, man, all of them. Ah. People think I'm a moron right now. You wouldn't happen to be a lobbyist, would you? Bummer. Oh well. We tried. Stupid K Street. Are any of you lobbyists?
You're breaking up, I'm sorry.
They're definitely lobbyists.
Working families, small businesses, and family farms.
Ford's Theater is around here somewhere, I think.
Right. There's no
Ford's
higher priority
fucking
today
theater
in my home state of Indiana or across this nation than putting Americans back to work. That Washington, D.C. is out of touch with the American people.
If we continue to see the concentration of wealth in a few banks at the taxpayers' expense and the continued inability of these institutions to expand access, and our approach is a step-by-step approach to make the current system work better. That's what most Americans support today. If we'd gone down that path, we would have really created jobs and gotten the economy moving again. When you grow the size of government, it does nothing to help get our economy growing. I believe that it's important that we look at those ideas about allowing small businesses and American families to keep more of what they earn. Because until they have more in their pockets, they're not going to spend, and the economy is not going to be revived. Thanks. One thing. The easiest thing and quickest
unnerving to shoot in D.C., man.
Michigan, Ohio, West Virginia.
You never know when you're going to get arrested.
The government is serious about helping.
And in the end, it would be for the common good, because we would get the benefit of, more infrastructure, which we know is a job creator, instant job creator.
Get out of here.
Important last-minute support from the nation's largest association of retirees, AARP, and the AMA yesterday. A bill which the Congressional Budget Office has said would cost more than $1 trillion over 10 years per company. To help cover costs, the legislation would impose a 5.4% income surtax on individuals earning more than $500,000 a year and couples making more than $1 million a year. Still under negotiation, coverage of immigrants and abortion. House passage would represent an important milestone for the most ambitious health bill since Medicare in 1965.
What do you think of Thomas Jefferson these days, Stu?
This is Kathy Kiley writing. But the bill faces challenges in the Senate. Majority Leader Harry Reid of Nevada has said he will not rush to get it done before year's end. Obama's Capitol Hill visit on Saturday had been set for today, but was pushed to